Hey guys, in today's video we are going to paint this beautiful moon painting in simple 4 steps. Now let's get started. I'm going to use these colors and this flat brush in the first step. So first we have to take the color violet and we have to apply the color on the top of the canvas. I decided to make this painting very simple, so I have selected very few colors for this painting. Now let's apply the color thoroughly on the top of the canvas. Once you finish apply the color, now let's take the color ultramarine blue. So I think ultramarine blue goes well with this violet, and now let's blend the colors together. So we have to move our brush towards the up and we have to blend the colors to get a smooth result. Always use your big size flat brush to make the process really easy. And now we finish blending the colors. Recently, I have been receiving many response from my audience to make a beautiful night sky painting with easy steps. So I decided to make this painting especially for them. So in this painting, you can see all the steps. I made them really easy. When you are moving towards the bottom of the canvas, we have to make the color very light. So here I use the color light blue and I'm going to blend the color light blue with ultramarine blue. We all know acrylic paint tends to dry really fast, so we have to work really fast to blend the colors. So now you can see I get a smooth result in my painting. Now let's apply more color in the bottom. So now this is the finished look of our background. Now let's apply some colors for the stars. So here I choose my old toothbrush. Now take some water and just blend the water with a white color. Now splash the color onto your canvas like this. Always give a decent distance between your hand and the canvas and you will get a beautiful result like this. Now our stars are ready. To make the moon painting very easy, I have taken this lid and I am going to apply some colors here. So I have taken my round brush and I am going to apply the colors. So here I am using the color white as we are going to paint moon. Gently place the lid onto your canvas and give some pressure. Now you get a circle. I believe this is the easiest way to paint a circle. And now let's fill the color white inside the circle. Here I am using my flat brush to fill the color. You can use any round brush as well. Using the color light blue, I am going to create some texture on the moon surface. So just take your round brush and take some light blue and just tap it on the color on your moon painting. And this is how I just created the texture of the moon. As I mentioned earlier, I am going to make this painting really simple. So I mindfully made every step really easy. Now let's apply some blue color over this light blue color, and this is how our moon looks like. Using my flat brush, I am going to draw a line like this and I am going to fill the color inside. So here I am using the color black, and using the flat brush in this way we can create a beautiful landscape painting, and it is also really easy to make a line using your flat brush. Now holding your brush like this and let's start paint the grass. So you have to give a little pressure and move your brush towards the up and you can create a grass effect like this. It is an easiest way to paint grass, so I hope you also like this technique. So when you are painting grass next time, use this technique and it saves your time. Also you will enjoy the process. Using my round brush, I am going to paint the tree. So now let's start with the trunk. So I have to start from the ground. So we have to be really careful while painting the trunk and the lines like this. So if you are not very comfortable with drawing the lines, first use your pencil and draw the lines. Then you can use your brush to paint the lines. So it is really easy, and also you don't get any bad result while doing the same thing. And I really appreciate when beginner artists do this, because we all face difficulties while painting the lines. To paint the leaf foliage effort, we need to split the end of the brush and just tap the color, and we have to tap the excess color in our palette. Now let's take the brush and use it on our canvas and just tap the brush like this, and you will get a beautiful effect for your leaf foliage. You can also use your fan brush to create the same effect. If you are new to my channel, let me introduce myself. I am Roxana. I am an acrylic painting artist. I love to paint with acrylics. Here I am sharing my painting knowledge with beginners. If you find my tutorials are really easy and helpful, then please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure to follow me on my other social media platforms. Now let's apply the color light blue. So we are going to use the same brush and the same technique again, and we are going to tap the color on the side of the tree like this. If you are someone who loves to paint the moon and night sky, then you will definitely like this playlist. In this playlist you can see a variety of moon night painting, and also you can get to see the step-by-step tutorial. Now let's paint the characters. So in this painting you can paint a character like this, or you can just leave it because it's an optional. But I really like to add some character in my painting that will give a life to my painting. So I really like to add characters. So you can get the image of this character in my description, and you can use them while painting as it is your reference. Here I am using my detailing brush to paint the tiny details in this painting. First I have to use my pencil, and then I use my brush because the details are very small, so I have to be really careful. That's why I first use my pencil, later I am using my brush to paint the details in the painting. If you enjoy watching this painting and if you learn something from this painting tutorial, then please share this video with your friends and art lovers, and also you can leave a beautiful comment in the comment section, and I would be really happy to read all your comments. Using the color white, I am adding some little details in this painting. These details makes our painting really beautiful, and I really like to add details in my painting. Now let's see the final result of this painting. I will meet you guys with another beautiful painting with a step-by-step tutorial in my next video. Until then, have fun with colors.